Here's the easiest way to make a photo collage in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop, go to File, hover over on Automate and click on Contact Sheet. Here, click on Files, click on Browse. From your computer, select those photos you want to make a collage from and click on OK. And all of your photos have been successfully added. Now, select your pixels. Width give 3000 and height 3000 and resolution give 300 pixels. Color profile, select this option and place select across first. Columns I'm giving 5, rows 5 and make sure to uncheck this font option and also make sure to uncheck flatten all layers. Also uncheck use auto spacing and vertical horizontal spacing I'm giving here 20 pixel and 20 pixel. And then just clicking on OK. And it may take some moments to load all of your images here. And here we can see all of my images have been successfully loaded. Now come to this layer section and we have to unlink all of this. So go ahead and unlink all of the layer one by one. And after that, select the selection tool and check this auto select option. And here select layer. Now click any of the image and just resize the image just like this and hit enter. Again select your second image, resize the image, hit enter. That's how you have to resize your all images one by one. Once done, uncheck this auto select option. And then here we have our photo grid collage. So this is how actually make a photo collage in Photoshop.